respected Chief Guest Sri Anandakrishna Devada, Additional Director, Kerala Judicial Academy, District Sri Ashraf KT, District Social Justice Officer, Kozhikode, then other members and dignitaries on the platform, my dear students and colleagues. It is an occasion of immense pleasure and pride for the Government Law College delegates in associating ourselves with LJRF in providing internship to students of various colleges, especially in the matter of probation of offenders. We all know that probation of offenders is a concept gifted or contributed by the reformative theory of punishment, which considers an offender as somebody who has been afflicted with some kind of social disease, and it is something curable with the support of social and other legal mechanisms. The Indian legal system, as indicated by the welcome speaker, has some legislations like the Probation of Offenders Act 1958, and there is also clear-cut special provision in the Criminal Procedure Code, and there is even a reference to that in the other provisions of the CRPC, including the provisions relating to plea bargaining, the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Acts, and various other laws. So the thrust of the Probation of Offenders Act and the law relating to probation is that the society wants to reform an individual who has been found to have committed an offense and to make him socially useful by providing him support in various ways. The government has created a mechanism of probation whereby probation officers have been appointed, and they have been tasked with supervising the redeeming of the particular individual or reforming the particular individual through supervision and social control, so that repetition of offense will not happen to the detriment of society. So social costs of repetition or recidivism of offense has to be offset by some kind of mechanism that ensures redeeming of the individual. We have different sections. If one goes through section 4 or section 3, as well as section 360 of the CRPC, section 3 and 4 of Probation of Offenders Act, section 360 of the CRPC, we can find that there are various differences. I am not going into those details. Section 12 of the Probation of Offenders Act provides that disqualification attached to conviction of an offense will not be following a particular individual who is given the benefit of probation. Similar provision can be seen in Juvenile Justice Act also. So the individual concerned is given an option to follow the social norms and to desist from committing crimes or similar acts and make himself useful individual for the service of the society. That is the thrust of a law, and he can in that way lead somewhat a clean slate life then on. So this the stage of probation starts after conviction and before sentencing. The distinction between sentencing and conviction are very important, and I am sure that the students will be given immense or necessary training and understanding in this area. And there are umpteen number of judgments regarding this, especially the judgment of Justice U.L. Bhatt as to the distinction between say the Probation of Offenders Act and Section 360. I am sure that this program being organized by LJRF will give immense opportunity for the students to have a fair understanding of the process of probation, and also as to how and when the benefits of probation will not be available to a convict. So socio-economic offenses of various categories exclude the application of the Probation of Offenders Act from the purview. These aspects will be discussed. That is my hope. And I thank LJRF and the office bearers of the organization for having associated with the government law college Kozhikode to organize this function. I also thank the district probation office Kozhikode and the government of Kerala for associating with us. And with these few words, I conclude my remarks and invite the chief guest for the inaugural speech. Thank you.
Provisions ഇപ്പോൾ അതിനത്ര റിലവൻസി ഇല്ല, ബിക്കോസ് അത് അറ്റ് ദ കമൻസ്മെന്റ് ഓഫ് ദ കോൺസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻ വേണ്ടതാണ്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 5 year വരെ എക്സ്റ്റെൻഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള പ്രൊവിഷനാണ്. പിന്നെ അതിന് റിലവൻസി ഇല്ല. പിന്നെ ഒരു